Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to change the ringtone on the following device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now we have to find audio profiles. Let's tap here, and as you can see, now we've got silent applied. In order to change the ringtone, we have to tap on General and click on Edit. And as you can see here, we've got the whole ringtone section. We cannot change the ringtone for both SIM cards, but we can change it for notifications. In order to do that, simply tap here on Default Notification Sound and click on Custom Ringtones. Let's tap on Always, and as you can see here, we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. If you want to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. Now we've got the Do Not Disturb mode, so we won't hear anything. So let me get back and let me show you how the particular one sounds. And if you're ready to choose something, for example this one, simply tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. So that's all. This is how to change ringtone in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.